Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be on best and worst signs to date with just from an Aquarius's point of view. So before we get started, I want to make it known that your sun sign is not your only sign. You have a moon and a rising sign. You actually have signs in every single planet, but the three strong that your strong characteristics come from are your moon, or your sun, your moon, and your rising. So my sun sign is Aquarius, moon sign is Aquarius, and my rising sign is Gemini. So I have all those kind of traits in me that are pretty much steering my point of view on these signs that are good and bad to date. So a lot of people might disagree with me. A lot of people don't even understand how Aquas think anyway. A lot of Aquariuses can probably relate to that. People just don't fucking understand us, and that's okay. So first, we're gonna start with the worst signs. So number 3 worst sign is Cancer. A lot of people might disagree with me on that because everyone loves Cancers. Cancers are so loving, and they are. They're really great people, very beautiful people. Especially Cancer women, they're gorgeous. But being an Aquarius, especially an Aquarius Gemini, y'all are too sensitive for me. Just too sensitive. Y'all feel way too much. A lot of things Aquarius just kind of shake off their shoulders, like whatever, it's okay, we'll get through it. And a Cancer might cry, and that'll drive me nuts. Why are you crying? It'll just drive me fucking nuts. So yeah, if you are sensitive like that, or if you're an Aquarius and you can't deal with sensitive people, maybe don't go for a Cancer. Second worst sign is Aquarius, kind of opposite of Cancer. If you are somebody that is really sensitive and cannot take someone just being very cutthroat with you at all times, it doesn't matter if you are at your worst, we will tell you the 100% truth, whether it hurts you or not. We don't care. Not that we don't care that it hurts you, just we don't care because you need to hear this information, and there's no fucking point in sugarcoating the shit. We're very straight to the point. A lot of people might think we're assholes for it, but that's just how we are. So if you can deal with that, and Aqua is a great sign to date. But if you are sensitive, or you can't handle, I don't know, the truth, I guess, because we'll never lie to you. There's no point. We will never ever lie to you. If an Aquarius lied to you, then their moon and rising sign is probably out of whack, because an Aquarius will never lie. There's just no point. We don't even like lying. We actually low-key enjoy the fact sometimes, depending on what it is, that the truth just made you feel some type of way. Sometimes we like that. So yeah, we're number 1 worst sign to date, in my opinion, as an Aquarius, is Capricorn, because we're very opposite. Capricorns are very lovely people, but we're pretty opposite. Capricorns are very focused on work, very grounded, very need to get work done, and Aquarius is who gives a shit? We do work and we like to make money, but we do it so differently. We don't do it like Capricorns do. And really, it's not that the Capricorn will drive the Aquarius crazy. The Aquarius will drive the Capricorn absolutely nuts. Literally, the Capricorn will break up with us because we'll drive them nuts. So probably not the best match. I do have a lot of Capricorn in my chart, so I get the Capricorn energy, but yeah, we're kind of out there. We're pretty spontaneous and pretty not traditional, maybe a Capricorn would we're just not very grounded. So yeah, 3 best signs. So the 3rd best sign is probably a Taurus. Now a lot of people would disagree with that because Aquarius and Taurus don't always get along, almost never get along. But when an Aquarius and a Taurus do get along and do flow and do you have it together, it's a really good match. We're both very honest, both very loyal. We've never really wouldn't have any problems if you don't cause them. But yeah, I like Tauruses. They're really funny. If you're funny, then you automatically have won my heart, because it's not even hard to make me laugh, but if you continuously make me laugh and you have new jokes and you're just a funny fucking person, I'm gonna love you. So yeah, Taurus, definitely a good sign today. Number 2, everyone's gonna disagree with me except the Leos. So I think Leos would be a great sign to date because they're very fun. They're not so serious. They can be serious, but they still like to laugh and play and have a really good time. And they're also really honest. A lot of people think Leos are players, and they can be, But like once a Leo knows for sure 100% you are their person, they will never let you go. They will always be loyal and they won't cheat on you. Like if they love you and they know they want to marry you someday, they won't cheat on you. Like they won't. If you have a very unevolved Leo and they're just playing, they'll just play, but they'll be very honest about it. So like say no shade Scorpios, they'll just lie to you. A Leo won't. They will not lie to you. So yeah, I like Scorpios, but y'all fucking liars. Like I don't care. Hate in the comments. You're fucking liars. Like it's period. But anyway, number one sign is probably Gemini. And a lot of people disagree with this because a lot of people think Geminis are crazy. Now, as an air sign, as an Aquarius, I don't think Geminis are crazy at all because we kind of have that same energy. Like, but a Gemini is the most loving. They will love you no matter what. They will provide for you literally till the end. Like, if a Gemini loves you, you will never be without. Like, a Gemini will make sure you are good at all times. Like, they are, in my opinion, the best sign, I think, because they can see in every different situation, they can see everybody's point of view, always. So like, everyone likes Geminis. Like, if there's just one friend that you know that everyone just fucking loves, they're probably a Gemini or have strong Gemini in their chart. Like, everyone loves the Geminis. They can relate to almost everybody because they can see everyone's point of view. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to make this little video because I'm bored and I'm really into astrology, and I have friends in every single sign. I know people in every single sign. So yeah, just as an Aquarius, these are the best and worst signs in my opinion. If you're an Aquarius, then comment down below because God knows we need to stick together because nobody fucking understands us. But yeah, comment what you think the best sign and the worst sign today is down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.